everyone, and welcome to our exclusive showcase where we're thrilled to present the remarkable features of the 2024 Subaru Outback, brought to you by Peoria Subaru. Renowned for its perfect blend of robust utility and refined style, the Outback is ready to impress. Let's embark on this journey. As we admire the exterior of the 2024 Subaru Outback, notice its sophisticated style, featuring protective cladding and raised ground clearance, signaling its readiness for adventure. The elegant design with contrasting trim and chrome accents ensures it stands out. Plus, the standard raised roof rails with tie-downs add practicality for carrying bikes, kayaks, and more. Step inside to the Outback's meticulously crafted interior. It offers a spacious cabin with up to 109 cubic feet of passenger comfort and a range of high-tech conveniences. Features like USB-C charging ports, an integrated LED lamp in the rear gate, and optional Napa leather upholstery ensures every journey is a premium experience. The available 12-way power front driver's seat with 4-way power lumbar adjustment enhances driving comfort. Safety in the 2024 Subaru Outback is Subaru's top priority. It's equipped with EyeSight driver assist technology, including automatic emergency steering and pre-collision braking. Additional safety features like blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, and reverse automatic braking are standard on select models. The driver-focused distraction mitigation system, available on higher trims, further enhances safety by reducing distracted driving. In technology, the 2024 Subaru Outback leads with its Subaru Starlink multimedia system. This features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration on an 11.6-inch touchscreen. The Harman Kardon premium audio system provides a superior sound experience, ensuring entertainment and connectivity on the go. Discussing performance, the 2024 Subaru Outback offers two engine choices: a standard naturally aspirated Subaru Boxer engine and a more powerful turbocharged option. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction in various conditions. Selected models boast a towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds, perfect for hauling your adventure gear. The 2024 Subaru Outback impressively blends style, safety, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. It's an ideal companion for both urban escapades and off-road adventures. Thanks for joining us today to explore this exceptional vehicle. And remember, for more information or to schedule a test drive, visit PeoriaSubaru.com.